Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about showering. Yeah, the thing you got to do when you've been out there working, you get all grimy and stinky and smelly, and your significant other won't let you into the bedroom until you go get cleaned up. Well, what happens if the event of whatever you're prepping for, or even the one that you weren't prepping for, if a big event happens, tornado, hurricane, earthquake, zombie apocalypse, whatever it is, takes out the water system. And so you don't have that nice pressurized water for your shower. How are you going to get clean? Well, one good way is to get a backup shower. Make one, or just buy one of those little camp showers that you can use, but have something in mind. Figure it out what's going to work for you and your family as a backup shower. Now, you definitely, I know in old times they used to talk about the family tub. Well, first person gets in, washes down, next person gets in, reuses the water, and by the last person in, it's kind of like, I don't want to take a bath. Yeah. So, that's kind of things you want to avoid, especially you don't want to pass stuff on from one another that way. You want to have a clean shower, where you can, wet down, soap up, scrub down, rinse off. So you're using very little water. So figure out what works best for you. And if you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below and I'll answer them back to you. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, tools, everything else you need to keep your life nice and comfortable. Why? Well, this is why.